Hey guys, it's me Shraddha and welcome back to our channel Timeline and History. Firstly, thank you so much for getting back to me and sharing your feedbacks and your suggestions. About suggestions, I'll surely try to implement few of them in my channel or about the content. So keep sharing and keep loving the channel. Let's move towards today's significance. It's 29th December and we are going to know what such occurred or what such happened on this day which made its record in the pages of history. While we all live in this happening world, but have we ever observed that if any big event is going to happen or if anything which is related to your life or to any political event, we can say, if anything is going to happen, a spark is given, or there has to be some reason for things to happen around us. Please don't get confused, I'm getting to the point. We all know, we are well aware of the Indo-Pak partition, right? But how did this start? What gave it a spark, or what reason happened that this partition was thought about is what we are going to know today. Muhammad Iqbal was elected as the president of All India Muslim League in the year 1930. He was a born Indian scholar and one of the best known in Pakistan history. Now, Hindu-Muslim conflicts or wars were a well-known fact during these years in the British rule. And it was on this day, that is on 29th December in the year 1930, when he first time during his speech in the All India Muslim League in the Allahabad during the British rule, he kept his proposal or kept his thought in front of everyone of having a separate or a different Muslim nation. Now, he always thought that Muslim is a different nation or a different overall thought, and they should have an independent political view or political freedom. He always thought that this community needs to be separated, and he was the first politician to articulate this theory, or what came to be known as two-nation theory. He thought that Muslims need to be separated from the Hindu communities and they need to have a different or an overall separate nation. Later on, he started expressing his views to Muhammad Jinnah. He constantly wrote letters to him expressing his thought or keeping his thought of having a separate nation. And the rest is a history. We all know, it is a well-known fact that Pakistan was separated from India. A separate nation was formed, and this gave a reason, and we all know the situation. It is well known to us, it is well known to the entire world what were the consequences of this separation. Such was the first significance of today's date. Let's move towards the second significance of today's date. Nanotechnology is a very well known technology which is used in today's era. It is also used in many fields, but when and how did this foundation for nanotechnology start? So it was on this day in the year 1959 when Richard Feynman, in his lecture or during his conference with the American Physical Society, laid the conceptual foundation of nanotechnology. During his lecture, during his speech in this conference, he mentioned it as, I don't know how to do it on a small scale or on a practical or in a practical life, but computing machines take a very large room, or it occupies a very large room. Why can't we make them very little, with little wires and little elements? And with little, I mean very little. And this began the era, and this led the foundation of nanotechnology to the world. I can only mention here great minds, great thoughts, great changes. This was the second significance, and those were the two significances of today's date. After knowing the two significances, let's move to the fun section. So 29th December is internationally celebrated as Pepper Pot Day. This day is also nicknamed as a soup that won the war. There was some continental war occurring, and during that time this soup was prepared, and it is said that the country which prepared this soup won the war, so it is nicknamed as soup that won the war. Pepper pot is generally a soup which is prepared by using pepper and some small meat and other ingredients. So enjoy your day, and you can enjoy it if you want to have the pepper soup as well. Also, please subscribe the channel. See you tomorrow with more exciting days, facts, events, and also please hit that bell icon so that you stay updated. See you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye bye.